Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to count steps on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and press the G crown once to exit the watch face. Locate and click on the activity icon. Then on the activity icon, you should see your steps for the day by default. Now again, if this is not coming up, all you simply need to do is go back to the app menu, click on the workout icon. Then come here and select your type of workout. Just scroll through. And then click on the play button or select the workout. Now you should see ready and the countdown will begin. After the countdown, you can now start your exercise. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the information about the workout for the day. You can see this indicates that you are working out. So go ahead and strap your Apple Watch so that your Apple Watch can track and count every of your steps. And then once you are done, swipe right, click on pause, swipe right again, click on resume, swipe right, click on end, and then you are good. So that is basically how to count steps on Apple Watch. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.